Dear students, in this video, we are going to discuss a very important trick. Really very important trick. So what is this trick about? So this trick is about doing big multiplication in single step. So what is this trick about? To be able to do big multiplication in simple steps. So now what do we mean by big multiplication? So 4 into 4 digit kind of multiplication, 5878 multiplied by 6042. So these kind of big multiplications in single step. You can see here, this is what we mean by a big multiplication. So this is a 4 digit into 4 digit multiplication. So 4 digit in first number, 4 digits in second number. So we can say this is a 4 into 4 multiplication. So this is a big multiplication. So now we are going to learn a trick using which we would be able to give the answer in one step itself. Only one step is required to give the complete answer. So this is big multiplication. Look, the first digit has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 numbers. The second digit also have got 5 digits. Second number have also got 5 digits. So this is a 5 into 5 multiplication. So this is again a big multiplication. So now we will learn a trick using which we can give the answer in one step. So this is the trick about. So in one step. So you will have a look at this number and then I will tell you a trick using which you would be able to give the answer in one single step. So that is this trick about. So let us see the trick. So let's take first example. So here we are given a 3-digit number and we have to multiply with another 3-digit number. So this is a case of 3 into 3 multiplication. 3 means 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So 3 digits in first number, 3 digits in second number. So our job is to find out a shortcut. Now what is that shortcut? So the shortcut is you have to fill this 5 blank spaces. There are 5 blank spaces. Now this 5 is related to these numbers 3 into 2. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, minus 1 is equal to 5. So it means if you fill these 5 blank spaces, if you understand what is to be written in these 5 blank spaces and you write that thing, your answer will be ready in one single step. So this is the trick, that in one single step you have to give the complete answer. So giving answer means filling these 5 blank spaces. So 5, since the multiplication involves 3 digit into 3 digit, so 3 plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 5. Therefore 5 blank spaces. Let's take another example. So in this example you are given a 4 digit number getting multiplied with another 4 digit number. So 4 plus 4 minus 1 is equal to 7. So what is the significance of this 7? The significance of this 7 is that if you want to get answer in one single step, you will have to fill 7 blank spaces. You can count here. There are 7 blank spaces. So if you somehow fill all these 7 blank spaces, your answer will be ready in one single step. So this is the trick. If the given number is 5 into 5, so 5 plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 9. So to find answer in one single step, so if you want to find this answer in one single step, you will have to fill 9 blank spaces. So you can count, there are 9 blank spaces. So if you somehow fill all these 9 blank spaces, now we don't know what we have to write here, but we understand that we have to fill 9 blank spaces. So if we fill all these 9 blank spaces, our answer will be ready in one single step. So this is the trick. So again 5 into 5. So how many blank spaces would we be filling? 5 plus 5, 10 minus 1, 9 blank spaces. So if you have to give answer in one single step, you will have to fill 9 blank spaces. We will discuss how we have to fill these blank spaces. Here again 4 into 4. So how many blank spaces will be created? 7 blank spaces. So if you fill these 7 blank spaces, fill these spaces and answer is ready. So this is the trick. So now we have to understand that how are we going to fill these blank spaces. So before I tell you that how you can fill the blank spaces, you have to understand the concept of cross connection product. So basically these blank spaces will be filled using cross connection product. So it is important for us to understand what is the concept of cross connection product. So once you understand the concept of cross connection product, then I will teach you how you can fill all these blank spaces and get answer in one single step. So let's first understand what is cross connection product. So suppose there are two columns of number. You can see there are four numbers written inside the box. So this is red box. So inside this red box there are four numbers. So connect them crosswise. Crosswise. That means connect 6 with 4 and 8 with 2. Now after cross connecting, you have to take their product and add it. So what does this mean? So you have connected 6 with 4. So 6 into 4 is equal to 24. And you have connected 8 with 2. So 8 into 2 is equal to 16. So overall cross connection product is the sum of these two multiplications. So 24 plus 16 is equal to 40. So we will say that the cross connection product of these four numbers, you can see four numbers here. So cross connection product is equal to 40. Let's take one more example. So you can see there is a red box. Inside this red box are four numbers. So we have to find out cross connection product. So first you have to connect them crosswise. So connect 7 with 8. So 7 8s are 56. Then connect the remaining two numbers 6 and 9. So if you connect 6 and 9, so 6 9s are 54. So cross connection product is the sum of these two. 56 plus 54, 110. So cross connection product is equal to 110. Let's take one more example. What will be the cross connection product? Connect 8 and 4. So 8 4s are 32. Then connect 4 and 1. So 4 ones are 4. 32 plus 4, 36. So cross connection product of these four numbers is equal to 36. Let's take one more. So you see a red box here. So inside the red box there are four numbers. So connect them crosswise. So connect 6 and 4. So 6 4s are 24. Then connect the remaining numbers 8 and 6. 8 6 are also you can see 48. So cross connection product. So you have to add this up. This comes out to be 72. So I would say that the cross connection product is equal to 72. If there are six numbers inside the red box. So you see there are actually three columns. Column number 1, column number 2 and column number 3. Column of numbers. Column number 3, column number 2. So this time 3 column of numbers. Then how will you find the cross connection product? So now there are 3 column of numbers. We have to find the cross connection product. How will you do that? Make connections crosswise. Connect 1 with 4. Connect 1 with 4. Connect 3 with 2. Cross. And the remaining numbers are 6 and 8. So connect 6 with 8. So connecting means you have to multiply them also. So you have connected 1 and 4. 1 and 4 are connected. So 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 3 and 2 are connected. So you can see 3 and 2 are also connected. So 3 2s are 6. And finally 6 and 8 are also connected. So 6 8s are 48. So cross connection product, you have to add this up. 4 plus 6 plus 48. So you have to add 58. So 58 is the cross connection product of these 6 numbers, or you can say 3 column of numbers. So let's find cross connection product of these 6 numbers, or you can say 3 column of numbers. So make connections carefully. Connect 4 and 9, connect 7 with 7 and 6 with 4. So you have connected 4 and 9. So 4 into 9 is equal to 36. You have connected 6 with 4. So 6 into 4 is equal to 24. And then you have connected 7 with 7. So 7 into 7 is equal to 49. So cross connection product, you have to add them up. 36 plus 24 is equal to 60. 60 plus 49 is equal to 109. So cross connection product, this is the meaning, 109. So let's take cross connection product of these numbers. So connect them crosswise. So this number to this number, 3 is connected to 2 and 0 is connected to 7. So after connecting, you have to multiply them. So 1 is connected with 3. So 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 0 is connected with 7. So if you connect 0 with anything, that means the answer will also be 0, because 0 getting multiplied by anything is definitely 0. So 0 into 7, 0. 3 is connected with 2. So 3 2s are 6. So if you add these, 3 plus 0 plus 6, 9. So cross connection product is 9. So first you have to understand how can you find cross connection product. Then you can do large calculations in one single step. So what will be the cross connection product? First connect 8 with 4. So 8 4s are 32. Then connect 6 with 2. 6 2s are 12. Then connect 7 with 8. So 7 8s are 56. So finally if you add them, this comes out to be 100. 100 is the cross connection product. So how can you find cross connection product of these 8 numbers? You can see 4 column of numbers. So make connections carefully. Connect 3 with 6. So this is the first connection. Similarly, you can connect 4 and 2. You connected 3 with 6, 4 with 2. Now the middle numbers. Middle numbers also you have to connect crosswise. So middle numbers, how you can connect crosswise? So connect 1 with 2 and 3 with 4. So cross connection product. 3 is connected with 6. So 3 6 are 18. 1 is connected with 2. So 1 2s are 2. Again 4 is connected with 3. So 4 3s are 12. Finally 2 is connected with 4. So 2 4s are 8. So 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 20, 20 40. So this cross connection product comes out to be equal to 40. Let's take one more. So first we connect 1 with 7 cross. So 1 into 7. 7. Next connection, this 7 is connected with this 4. So 7 4s are 28. Next you connect this 6 with this 8. Cross. So 6 into 8, 48. And finally you connect this 2 with this 3. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So let us see what is the answer. So 7 plus 28, 35. 35 plus 48. So 35 plus 48 is equal to 83. And 83 plus 6 is 89. So cross connection product of these numbers are 89. So similarly, if there are 5 column of numbers, then how will you find cross connection product? Same method. Make connections crosswise. First connect 5 with 4. So this is the first connection. Connect 5 with 4. So 5 into 4, 20. This is the first connection. So second connection. So now connect 6. This 6 with this one. That's why I'm using color code. So same color means connected. So 6 is connected with 1. So 6 ones are 6. So next connection, let me use different color. So next connection between 8, you have to connect this 8 with 3. So 8 threes are 24. So each connection I am using different color so that you can understand. So next connection between 3 and 2. So this 3 is connected with this 2. So 3 into 2, 6. Now last connection. So last connection between 4. This 4 is connected with this 7. So 4 sevens are 28. So let's add them up. So 20 plus 6 plus 24, 50. 50 plus 6, 56. 56 plus 28 is equal to 84. Now let me see. 20 plus 6, 26. So 26 plus 24 is 50. 50 plus 6 is 56. 56 plus 28, 84. So 84 is the cross connection product. So this is how we find out the cross connection product. And once you understand how to find out the cross connection product, then you can easily do big multiplications. Now we have understood the concept of cross connection product. Now let us see how we can easily do big multiplication. So by big multiplication, we mean 3 into 3 digit multiplication, or 4 into 4 digit multiplication, or maybe 5 into 5. So let's see how we can solve these kind of questions. 3783 multiplied with 4079. So these are big multiplications. So let us see how we can do that. Let's first take example of 3 digit into 3 digit multiplication. So here, so 3 digit into 3 digit multiplication. So 3 plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 5. So basically we have to fill 5 blank spaces. So if we fill 5 blank spaces, so if we fill these 5 blank spaces, we will get the answer in one single step. So the trick is to find out the answer in one single step. This is the trick. So our job is to fill these 5 blank spaces. Now what is special about these 5 blank spaces? All these blank spaces are made to accommodate single digit. Single digit. That means you can write only one digit in one blank space. Only one digit in one blank space, except the first. Here you can write any number of digits. Any number of digits. So you are given 3 into 3 multiplication. You have to fill these 5 blank spaces. So if you manage to fill these 5 blank spaces, your answer would be ready in one single step. So now let us discuss how you can find the answer in one single step. So this is the key point. Now imagine a box. So imagine a box and move the box in this manner. That means from my left, or if you look at screen wise, so if you look at screen wise, then right to left you can say, or left to right, whatever screen orientation you have. So in this direction. So now there is a box. So at this point the box has only two numbers inside it. Find the cross product. Find the cross product of these two numbers. So 2 into 4 is 8. So write 8 here. So write 8. So this is the cross connection product. So one blank space we have already filled. One blank space is already filled. Now move the box further. Now let's move box further. So now the box is moved further in this direction. Now there are four numbers inside the box. Find the cross connection product of these four numbers. So 6 is connected with 4. So 6 fours are 24. 8 is connected with 2. So 8 into 2 is 16. So 24 plus 16 is 40. 40. But the problem is that we can write only one digit at a time in this blank space. So out of 40, you can write only 0 here. So write 0 and remaining 4 is transferred as carry forward. Now we have already found out the cross connection product. So let's move the box forward. So it's time to move the box forward. So let's move it forward now. So yes, so we have moved the box forward. Now let us find the cross connection product of the numbers inside this box. So 1 is connected with 4. So 1 into 4 is 4. 3 is connected with 2. So 6. 3 into 2 is 6. This 6 is connected with 8. So 6 is 8s are 48. So 4 plus 6 plus 48 is equal to 58. 58. So now 58 and this 4 is already carried forward. So 58 plus 4 is equal to 62. But I can write only one single digit. So I will write 2 here and remaining 6 is transferred as carry forward. Now we have already found out the cross connection product in this position. So it's time to move the box further ahead. So now we are moving the box ahead. So now there are four numbers inside this box. Connect 1 with 8 and 3 with 6 and find the cross connection product. So 1 into 8 is equal to 8. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. So 8 plus 18 is 26 and this 6 is already there. So 26 plus 6 is 32. But we can write only one single digit. So write 2 here and transfer the remaining 3 forward. Now we have found out the cross connection product. So it's time to move the box forward. So now let's move the box forward. So yes, so now we have moved the box forward. So now there are only two numbers inside this box, 1 and 3. So if you find their cross connection product, it comes out to be 3. So this 3 is already carry forwarded and this 3 is the cross connection product. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So final answer is 62208. 62208. Let's verify this using calculator. So 162 multiplied with 384. So 162 multiplied with 384. Is it equal to 62208? So you can see that yes, this is equal to 62208. So answer matches. Let's take one more example. So this is again a 3 into 3 digit multiplication. So 3 into 3 digit multiplication. So how many blank spaces we need to fill? 3 plus 3 minus 1. That is 5 blank spaces. So we have to fill these 5 blank spaces and we can get the answer in one single step. So how do we fill these blank spaces? With the use of cross connection product. So let's start the box. So now there are only two numbers inside the box, 2 and 4. So if you connect 2 with 4, you get the cross connection product as 8. So write 8 here. So I write 8 and then we can move the box forward. So we can move the box to next position. So let's move the box forward. So now there are four numbers inside the box. Connect 5 and 4. So 5 into 4 is equal to 20 and the remaining two numbers connect 0 with 2. So if you multiply 0 with 2, answer is 0. So 20 plus 0 is 20. But the problem is that you can write only single digit. We have got the cross connection product as 20. So we cannot write 20. We will write only 0 here and we will transfer the remaining 2 forward. So we have found out the cross connection product. We have written that. Now it's time to move the box forward. So now let's move the, When I say move the box forward, all this you have to do mentally. This box you don't have to draw. You have to imagine this box in your mind. Now I am moving the box forward. Now let's find the cross connection product. So if you connect 1 with 4, 1 into 4 is 4. Connect this 2 with this 2, 2 into 2 is also 4. Then connect 5 with 0. So 5 into 5, 0 is 0. So 4 plus 4 is 8. And this 2 is already carry forwarded. So 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. But you cannot write entire number 10. You have to write only one single digit. So write 0 here, and the remaining 1 is carried forwarded. So you have found out the cross connection product. You have filled the blank. Now it's time to move the box further. So now there are these 4 numbers inside the box. So now let's find out. So connect 1 with 0. So 1 into 0 is 0. Then connect 2 with 5. So 2 plus 5 is 10. So 0 plus 10 is 10. And this 1 is already carry forwarded. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So you cannot write 11 here. So write only one single digit 1. And the remaining 1 is transferred, carried forwarded. So plus 1. So we have found out the cross connection product. We have filled the blank spaces. So now it's time to move the box forward. So let's move the box forward. So if you move the box forward, now there are only 2 numbers inside this box, 1 and 2. So if you find the cross connection product, 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So write 3 here. So final answer is 31008. 31,008. So let's verify this once. So 152 multiplied with 204. So it is 31,008. You can see 31008. So answer matches. Let's take one more. Let's start the box. So cross connection product, 1 into 8 is 8. So write 8 here. Move the box forward. Find out the cross connection product. 8 into 3, 24. And 2 into 1, 2. So 24 plus 22 is equal to 26. So write 6 here, and the remaining 2 is carry forwarded. Now move the box forward. So if you move the box in this position, and then we have to find the cross connection product. So now let's find the cross connection product in this position. So if you connect 1 with 8, so 1 into 8 is 8, then connect 3 with 1. So 3 into 1 is 3, then connect 3 and 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. So 8 plus 3, 11 plus 6 is equal to 17, and this 2 is already carried forwarded. So 17 plus 2 is equal to 19. So write 9 here, because you can write only one digit, and carry forward 1. So 1 is carry forwarded here. Now let's move the box ahead. So if you move the box ahead, it comes into this position. So now the box is in this position. So now let's find the cross connection product. So in this position, if you try to find the cross connection product, so you connect 1 with 2. So 1 into 2 is 2, and then you connect 3 with 3. 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 plus 2 is equal to 11, and this 1 is already carried forwarded. So 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. So out of 12, you can write 2 here. Only one digit is allowed, and 1 is transferred or carried forwarded. So you have already found out the cross connection product in this position. So we have already done that. Now it's time to move the box forward. So let's move the box forward. So if you move the box forward, this is the last position in which the box reaches. So now only 2 numbers are inside box, 1 and 3. So 1 into 3 is 3. So cross connection product is 3, and 1 is already carried forwarded. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So final answer 42968. Let's verify. 131 multiplied with 328. Is it equal to 42968? So yes, you can see this is actually equal to 42968. You can verify the answer. 42968. So let's solve this one. Let's take the box. So 3 into 2. So 3 twos are 6. So right here, let's move the box forward. Let's find the cross connection product. So 3 into 2, 6. And this 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So out of 12, I can write only 2 here. And 1 is transferred, carried forwarded. Now let's move the box forward. So box comes in this position. Let's find the cross connection product. So cross connection product in this position. So 3 into 2 is 6, and this 2 is connected with this 3, again 6, and this 3 with this 2. So 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18, and 1 is already carried forwarded. So 18 plus 1 is 19. So I can write only 9 here, and remaining 1 is carried forwarded. So 1 is carried forwarded. We have already found out the cross connection product. Now let's move the box forward. So if you move the box in this position and you find out the cross connection product again, what do you get? 3 into 2, 6, and this 2 into 2, 3, again 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So 1 is already carried forwarded. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So out of 13, you can write only 3 here. Remaining 1 is carried forwarded. Now let's move the box forward. So if you move the box forward, only two numbers are there inside the box, 3 and 2. And their cross connection product is 6. So 1 is already carried forwarded. 6 plus 1 is 7. So final answer 73926. Let's verify. 333 into 222. Is it equal to 73926? So yes, this is actually equal to 73926. So answer is verified. Similarly, you can solve this. You try this doing on your own, and whatever answer you get, you can write in the comment section. You can use this box method. You can imagine these boxes. There are a few examples which you can do on your own. Now, how can you do a 3-digit into 2-digit multiplication? Simple. You can imagine a 0 here. Imagine a 0 here, and rest process would be same. So let's solve this. 234 into 024. So let's bring the box. So we have to fill 5 blank spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we fill these 5 blank spaces, our answer would be ready. So first position, 4 into 4 is 16. So out of 16, I will write 6 here and transfer or carry forward 1. Now I move the box forward. So in this position, what is the cross connection product in this position? So let's find out. So if you connect 3 with 4, so 3 fours are 12, and then you connect 2 with 4, so 2 fours are 8. So 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. So 20 plus 1 becomes 21. So write 1 here, and remaining 2 is carry forwarded. Now move the box forward. So if you move the box forward, it comes into this position. So now the box is in this position. We have already filled 2 blank spaces. Now we are trying to fill the third blank space. So let's fill the third blank space. So now the box is in this position. Connect 2 with 4. So 2 fours are 8. Connect 0 with 4. So 0 fours are 0. And this 3 with 2. So 3 twos are 6. So 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. And this 2 is already carried forwarded. So 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. So out of 16, you can write only 6 here and transfer the remaining 1 as carry forward. Now we have found out the cross connection product in this position. So it's time for us to move the box forward. So let's move the box forward. So now the box is in this position. Let's find out the cross connection product. So connect 2 with 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. Connect 0 with 3. So 0 into 3 is 0. So 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. And this 1 is already carried forwarded. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Now let's move the box in the final position. So we have moved the box forward. Now only these two numbers can be seen inside the box. So only these two numbers are seen inside the box. So what is the cross connection product of 2 and 0? So 2 multiplied with 0, cross connection product is 0. So 0, you don't have to write 0. So this is the answer 5616. Let us verify. 234 multiplied with 24 is the answer 5616. So yes, it is. Now let's take an example of 4 digit into 4 digit multiplication. Logic is same. Now since we are doing 4 into 4 multiplication, so how many blank spaces are there? 4 plus 4 minus 1, that is equal to 7 blank spaces. So we have to fill these 7 blank spaces and our answer will be ready. So we have to fill this 7 blank spaces. How we can fill this 7 blank spaces? Process is same. Imagine boxes. So first position of box, only two numbers are inside the box. Find the cross connection product. So 1 into 5 is 5. So write 5 here. You have found out the cross connection product. Now let's move the box forward. So now the box is in this position. Let's find out the cross connection product. So 2 into 5 is 10. 1 into 1 is 1. So 10 plus 1 is 11. But you cannot write 11. You can write only one single digit. So write 1 here and transfer the remaining 1 as carry forward. So you have found out the cross connection product. So it's time to move the box forward. So it's time for us to move the box forward. Let's move the box. So box is in this position now. Let's find out the cross connection product. So connect 0 with 5. So 0 into 5 is 0. Then connect 2 with 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. Then this 2 is connected with 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4 and this 1 is carry forwarded. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So we have found out the cross connection product. We have filled the blank. Now it's time for us to move the box forward. So let's move the box forward now. So now the box is in this position. Let's find out the cross connection product. So connect this 1 with 5. So 1 into 5 is 5. Connect this 3 with 1. So 3 into 1 is 3. Connect it diagonally 0 with 1. So 0 into 1 is equal to 0. Connect 2 with 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So out of 12, you can write only one digit. So write 12, 2 here and remaining 1 is carried forwarded. So we have found out the cross connection product. We have filled the blanks. So now what we will do? We will simply move the box forward. So our job in this position is done. So let's move the box forward. So now I move the box forward again. Now the box is in this position. Find the cross connection product. So connect 1 with 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. Connect 3 with 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. Connect 0 with 2. So 0 into 2 is 0. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So write 8 here. So this blank space is also filled. So now you can move the box forward again. So let's move the box forward. So now the box is in this position. Let's find out the cross connection product. So connecting 1 with 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. Connect 3 with 0. So 3 into 0 is equal to 0. So 2 plus 0 is 2. So write 2 here. So we have filled this blank also. So now let's move the box forward again. So now the box has reached its final position. Only two numbers are inside the box, 1 and 3. So 1 into 3 cross connection product is 3. So the final answer is 3282515. So in one single step you can find the answer. Let us verify. So the numbers that we have multiplied. Let us see which two numbers we multiplied. So we multiplied 1021 and 3215. So what does the calculator says? So the answer given by calculator is 3282515, and the answer we have found out is also same, 3282515 and 3282515. So our answer matches that of the calculator. So let's solve one last question. Suppose now you have been asked to multiply 5-digit number with another 5-digit number. So 5 plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 9. So there are 9 blank spaces. So if we manage to fill these 9 blank spaces, our answer will be ready in one single step. So we have to fill 9 blank spaces this time. Can we do this in single step? So yes, we can do this in single step. Method is same. Imagine boxes. You can imagine them in your mind as well. So let's start the box method. So let's start. So yes, this is the first position of box. Let's start. So 1 into 3, 3. So write 3 here. Move box forward. Find the cross connection product. So 1 into 3, 3 into 3 plus 3, 6. So write 6 here. Move the box forward. So if you move the box forward, find the cross connection product. So if you find the cross connection product, 3 plus 3 plus 3. So this is equal to 9. So write 9 here. Move the box forward. So if you find the cross connection product, so 3 plus 3 plus 3, 12. So 12. So write 2 here and carry forward 1. Carry forward 1. Now move the box forward. Now box is in this position. Cross connection product 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 15. So 15 plus 1 equal to 16. So out of 16 write 6 here and carry forward 1 here. So we carry forward 1. So we have filled all these blank spaces. So we can remove the unnecessary portion and move the box forward. So yes. Now let's move the box forward. So I have moved the box forward. Cross connection product 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 12. So 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So write 3 here. Again carry forward 1. So carry forwarded 1. You have filled the blank space. That means you can again move the box forward. Let's move the box. So we have moved the box forward. Let's find out the cross connection product. So 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So write 0 here and the remaining digit 1 can be carried forwarded. So 1 is carried forwarded. We have filled the blanks. So remove the unnecessary portion and move the box forward. So now the box reaches this position. So cross connection product 1 into 3, 3, 1 into 3, 3, 6. So 6 plus 1, 7. Move the box forward. Final position. Cross connection product 1 into 3 is 3. So this is the final answer. 370362963. So we can find the answer in one single step. So we will verify once more using calculator whether our answer is correct or not. So let's verify. So we have multiplied 5 times 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 multiplied with 5 times 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times 3. Does the answer matches or not? Let us verify. So the answer given by calculator, you can see it is 370. Answer given by calculator is same as that we found out using our shortcut method. 37036222963. So yes, this method works.